Students, today we will start the last topic from the first unit, that is the algebra. In the first unit, that means the under the heading of algebra, we have taken three topics. The first one, that was logarithm. The second one, that was determinant. The third one and the most important under the heading of algebra, that was matrices. And the fourth one, partial fractions. Again, on partial fractions, in your exam you will get near about 10 marks with options. 10 मार्क का partial fractions रहेगा. So you concentrate on this also and try to score maximum marks on the partial fractions also. Now coming back to the our partial fractions. What is fraction? आप लोगों को सब लोगों को पता है कि fraction क्या होता है. 2/3 that is a fraction. 5/4 that is a fraction. 1/2 is also a fraction, but these are the numeric fractions. Numbers है उसमें, so those are called as the numeric fraction or fraction. In general, if I write the two polynomials, so first we write the definition. Two polynomials, let us say f of x and g of x. Then the division of two polynomials f of x and g of x, that is f of x divided by g of x, is nothing but the fraction. I put here definition of fraction. Consider two polynomials f of x and g of x. Then f of x divided by g of x is called a fraction. So we are written here. Consider two polynomials f of x and g of x, then f of x upon g of x is called as a fraction. I hope all of you knows what is meant by polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial means the expression with the different degrees. It may be having the maximum degree 4, it may be having maximum degree 3, 2, 1 or more than 4. There are a lot. Suppose I write x raised to 4 plus 1, then x raised to 4 plus 1 is a polynomial. X cube plus x square plus 2 plus 1 plus 2x plus 1, that is also a polynomial. X square plus 4x plus 5, that is also a polynomial. And x plus 1 is also a polynomial. So all the terms having the variable x with different degrees, that is nothing but a polynomial. So the ratio of two polynomials, f of x upon g of x, means ratio of two polynomials is called a fraction. So that is a fraction. Now there are two types of fractions. Fraction क्या है ये तो आपको पता चल गया है कि ratio of two polynomial. Now there are two types of fractions. The first one is the proper fraction and the second one is the improper fraction. I repeat again. कितने types के fraction है? दो type के. कौन से? एक proper है, दूसरा improper है. अभी proper and improper. What is the difference between proper and improper? भाई दो अलग अलग टाइप है, तो उन दोनों के बीच में कुछ ना कुछ तो भी डिफरेंस रहेगा. तो डिफरेंस ये है कि इन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन न्यूमरेटर का डिग्री एफ ऑफ एक्स का डिग्री जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर के डिग्री से कम रहता है. ऑलवेज द डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. whereas in improper exactly opposite means the degree of numerator is greater than that of degree of denominator. So we write here there are two types of fractions. As first one, proper fraction प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में मैंने क्या बताया था, द डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. द डिग्री ऑफ, आई रिपीट अगेन, द डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर ने क्या है एफ ऑफ एक्स, डिनोमिनेटर ने क्या है जी ऑफ एक्स. सो डिग्री ऑफ अपर पार्ट इज लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ लोअर पार्ट. सो हियर इन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. यहाँ पे हमने f of x g of x लिया है. You may consider p upon q. You may consider f on the different variables, or you may call numerator upon denominator. कंसेप्ट एक ही है. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में आपका डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. अब डिग्री ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स इज लेस देन डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. दैट मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल आई राइट हियर एक्स प्लस वन अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वन, एक्स प्लस वन अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वन. What is the degree of x plus 1? That is 1. Why degree is 1? Because the power of maximum power of x in the numerator is 1. What is the maximum power of x in the denominator? That is 2. So degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. So this is the proper fraction. The second example you may consider x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus x. X square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x cube minus x. Here, what is the maximum power of x? 2. What is the maximum power of x in the denominator? 3. So again, 2 is less than 3. That means the degree of numerator is less than denominator, and therefore this is the proper fraction. Another example I can consider. Suppose there is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now in the numerator the highest degree is 1. In the denominator here the degree 1 and here is degree 1. If you simplify this one, then we get x into x, that means x square. So again the degree of denominator is 2. So degree of numerator is less than denominator, and therefore this is the proper fraction. So this is the first type. The second one is improper fraction, that is exactly opposite to that of proper fraction. The second one is improper fraction. In this case, exactly reverse of this one. Here, degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. यानी क्या, न्यूमरेटर का डिग्री जो है डिनोमिनेटर के डिग्री से बड़ा रहेगा. प्रॉपर में क्या था, न्यूमरेटर का डिग्री डिनोमिनेटर के डिग्री से कम था, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा रहेगा. सो examples exactly reverse. First example we can write x square plus 1 upon x plus 1. Here the degree of numerator is 2, denominator is 1, and therefore this is the improper fraction. Second one is exactly we can reverse is x cube plus x divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. So again degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2, so that is the improper fraction. Third one I can write x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 1. Here again x into x, that is x square. So degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 1. So that is the improper fraction. See here, we have seen the three concepts. The first one is the fraction. What is the fraction? The simple is the ratio of the two polynomial. The ratio of two polynomial is a fraction. Polynomial हमने यहाँ पे consider किया है f of x upon g of x. That is the fraction. Then comes, there are two types of fractions. The first one is the proper and second one is improper. अभी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में क्या है, आपके सामने है बोर्ड के ऊपर लिखा है मैंने, डिग्री ऑफ f of x is less than degree of g of x, means degree of numerator is less than denominator, then that is the proper. In the second one, if the degree of numerator is greater than that of the denominator, then that is the improper fraction. So this is proper and improper fraction. Now we have to see the partial fractions. We have to find out the partial fractions. Our topic name is partial fraction. Now partial fraction क्या होता है? Partial fraction ये होता है कि भाई आपका जो proper fraction है उस fraction को अगर हम लोगों ने simple fractions में express किया, then that fraction is called as the partial fraction. I repeat again. Partial. What is partial fraction? The expression of proper fraction. See the word. The expression of proper fraction into sum or difference of simple fractions. That is nothing but the partial fraction. I put the definition here. Partial fraction. Partial fractions. The expression of proper fraction as a sum or difference of simple fractions is called partial fractions. Is called partial fractions. See here, this definition is very simple. The expression of proper fraction, you have to concentrate on this word, proper fraction. The expression of proper fraction as a sum or difference of simple fractions is called as the partial fractions. Now proper fraction यानी proper fraction के ही आप partial fractions find out कर सकते हैं. Are you getting? We can find the partial fractions from proper fraction. लेकिन अगर एग्जाम में improper fraction का प्रॉब्लम रहा तो फिर क्या करें? अगर improper fraction का प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है, then first we have to convert it into the proper fraction. How will convert it? By the method of simple division. By the method of simple division. That means I write here, if there is an improper fraction, then convert it into proper fraction by division method, by simple division method. If there is a improper fraction, then first convert into the proper fraction by a simple division method and then find out the partial fraction. यानी अभी यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया. फ्रैक्शन क्या है? It is the ratio of two polynomials. How many types of fractions there are? There are two types of fraction. What are those? First one is the proper, second one is the improper. Proper fraction क्या है? जिसमें degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Improper क्या है? In improper, the degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Now, what is partial fraction? It is nothing but the expression of proper fraction as sum or difference of different fractions, different simple fractions. नाउ अगर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दैट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन into the proper fraction by the simple division method, and then we can find the fractions or partial fractions of that given problem. अभी सिंपल डिवीजन मीन्स सिंपल डिवीजन आप लोगों मेथड आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, उस मेथड से आपको सॉल्व करना है. वी विल solve some problems on improper fraction at the end of this topic, because in exam mostly 95% problem, or I can say that 98% problems are based on the proper fractions. improper fractions का भी हम प्रॉब्लम लेंगे, उसके पहले आप डिवीजन मेथड अच्छे से रिवाइज कर लो. डिवीजन मेथड क्या होता है, कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं, वो आप रिवाइज करो अच्छे से, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि भाई क्या है क्या नहीं. Now or otherwise I will take one problem on how to convert an improper into proper fraction. Suppose you are given that the fraction is x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. अब इसके आपको पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. What is the degree of numerator? 3. Degree of denominator 2. That means degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So this is the improper fraction. So first we have to convert this improper fraction into the proper fraction by the method of division. कैसे करोगे? अब देखो, x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. x cube here x square, so multiplying by x से इसको multiply किया, x into x square that is x cube, x into minus 1 that is minus x. I repeat again, x into x square that is x cube, x into minus 1 that is minus x. Here subtracting the two terms, ये minus हो गया आपका, this is minus and this will be plus. So x cube minus x cube, that gets cancelled. Then here plus x plus 5. x cube, ये x as it is again minus का plus हो गया, और ये 5 as it is नीचे आ गया. तो आपका x square minus 1, x cube plus 1, x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1. So we can write that x cube plus 5 divided by x square minus 1 is equals to the quotient, that means x plus 5 divided by the dividend, that is x square, divisor, that is x square minus 1. So x cube plus 5 upon x square minus 1 is equals to x plus 5 upon x square minus 1. So this part is the improper fraction. Improper fraction, and this complete part is a proper fraction. देखो मैं फिर से समझाता हूँ, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 5 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1. यहाँ पे डिग्री ऑफ एक्स कितना है, डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर कितना है 3. व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 2. सिंस न्यूमरेटर डिग्री इज ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर डिग्री, देयरफॉर इट इज improper fraction. So you have to convert this improper fraction into the proper fraction by the method of division. तो x क्यूब प्लस 5 को हम लोगों ने x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 से डिवाइड किया, तो आपका क्वेश्चन आ गया आपका x. दिस इज द रिमाइंडर. सो बाय दिस सिंपल मेथड x क्यूब प्लस 5 अपॉन x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 डिविडेंड अपॉन डिवाइजर इज इक्वल्स टू the quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So x plus 5 upon x square minus 1, this is the improper fraction and this is the proper fraction. That is the method of how to convert the improper fraction into the proper fraction if the problem is based on the improper fraction in the exam. Now the partial fractions problem, there are different methods to find out the partial fractions problem. And there we have seen the two types, that is proper fraction and improper fraction. Now partial fractions, there are different cases. The first type I can write here. First type is linear when the factors are linear and non-repeated. Linear and non-repeated. When the factors are linear and non-repeated. Now the question arises, what is meant by linear? Linear यानी क्या है? Linear means a equation having a single degree. Linear means a equation having a single degree. The standard form of linear is ax plus b. This is the linear, where a is not equal to 0. That is the standard form of linear equation. So ax plus b, that is a linear. That means 2x plus 3 is linear. 3x minus 2 is linear. x, सिर्फ अगर मैं x लिखता हूँ, that is also linear, because a का वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो सकता आपका, but the value of b may be equals to 0. So this is linear. ये सब आपका हुआ है 10th में, linear and quadratic. What is quadratic? ax square plus, this is linear, and ax square plus bx plus c, where this is the quadratic, where again a is not equals to 0. अगर a का वैल्यू 0 होता है तो क्या बाकी बचता है आपका bx plus c, and that bx plus c is the linear. So the condition is that when the factors are linear and non-repeated, or you can say that when the roots are linear and non-repeated. So here the standard, we will consider the standard example. Under the first type, suppose you have to find out the partial fractions of a proper fraction which is in the form of f of x upon, I write here, x plus a into x plus b. एक आपका फ्रैक्शन दिया है, आपको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन दिया है, f of x upon x plus a into x plus b. Now to find out the partial fractions of this one, since how many linear factors are there? This is the first and this is the second. Two linear factors are there. So you have to consider, you have to start with two constants. This can be written as a upon x plus a plus b upon x plus b. So here, आपको दिया क्या है? It is given that f of x upon x plus a into x plus b. Since there are two linear equations, we have to consider two alphabetical constants a and b. अगर तीन अगर यहाँ पे रहते, if there are three, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, you have to consider a upon x plus a plus b upon x plus b plus c upon x plus c. Initially, there is always a plus sign in between the two. शुरुआत में यहाँ पे प्लस साइन ही रहेगा, बाद में अगर आपका b माइनस आता है तो वो माइनस हो जाएगा. So initially there is always a plus sign in between the two linear factors or three linear factors. So f of x upon x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to a upon x plus a plus b upon x plus b. Let us consider this equation number 1. Now cross multiply. If we cross multiply, then we get f of x is equals to, see here, ये पूरा का पूरा इस टर्म के साथ में गया आपका, that will a upon x plus a into x plus a into x plus b plus b upon x plus b into x plus a into x plus b. What I had done, ये जो है ये इस साइड में मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो व्हाट इज दिस इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद द फर्स्ट टर्म as well as it is multiplied with the second term. X plus a and x plus a gets cancelled. X plus b and x plus b also gets cancelled. So we get the remaining is f of x is equals to a into x plus b plus b into x plus a. Let us say this is our equation number 2. Equation 1 means जितने कांस्टेंट्स है वो कांस्टेंट्स आपको एडिशन में लिखना है. फर्स्ट कांस्टेंट अपॉन फर्स्ट फैक्टर, सेकंड कांस्टेंट अपॉन सेकंड फैक्टर. सपोज देयर इज थर्ड कांस्टेंट, देन थर्ड कांस्टेंट अपॉन थर्ड फैक्टर एंड सो ऑन. मैक्सिमम 3 फैक्टर्स रह सकते हैं आपके एग्जाम में. देन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग इट, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया हम लोगों ने, तो ये हो गया आपका a अपॉन एक्स प्लस ए इंटू दिस 2 टर्म्स प्लस b अपॉन एक्स प्लस बी इंटू दिस 2 टर्म्स. एक्स प्लस ए गेट्स कैंसर, x plus b gets cancelled. The remaining is a into x plus b plus b into x plus a. That is equation number 2. After this, we have to find out the value of a and b. A और b का values find out करना. There are different methods to find out a and b. The simple one is the substitution method. What is the substitution method? Our first substitution, then substitute the denominator of a equals to 0. फर्स्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या रहेगा आपका, डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ए. डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ए क्या है आपका, एक्स प्लस ए. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट एक्स प्लस ए इक्वल्स टू 0. एक्स प्लस ए इक्वल्स टू 0, दैट मीन्स एक्स इक्वल्स टू माइनस ए इन इक्वेशन 2. If you substitute x plus a equals to 0, that is x equals to minus a in equation 2, we get the value of a. Value of a. I repeat again. You have to start with the substitution. और substitution क्या रहेगा? The denominator of a is equals to 0. That means x plus a equals to 0. If you substitute x plus a equals to 0, that means x equals to minus a. In equation 2, we get the value of a. Then this is the first substitution. Second one is again substitute the denominator of b from equation 1. Substitute x plus b equals to 0. That means x equals to minus b in equation 2. b का डिनोमिनेटर अगर आपने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो x का वैल्यू होगा आपका माइनस b. कहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, इक्वेशन 2 में. सो we get the value of b. अब once you get the value of a and b, substitute the value of a and b in equation 1. So that will be the partial fractions. Now substitute the values of a and b in equation 1, so that will be the required partial fractions of that given problem. We will take one problem in today's lecture. Let us start, consider that problem as the problem is find partial fractions of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. We have to find out the partial fractions of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So here, is it proper or improper? This is the proper fraction. Why? Because the degree of numerator is 1 and the degree of denominator is x into x, that means x square, so it is 2. So this is the proper fraction. Now how many variables are there? Sorry, how many linear factors are there? There are 2 linear factors, 1 and 2. So consider 2 constants for the 2 linear factors. That will be a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. This is equation number 1. हमने 2 क्यों कंसिडर किया? बिकॉज देयर आर 2 लीनियर फैक्टर x minus 1 and x plus 2. a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. आफ्टर दिस मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? यू हैव टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड. सो x plus 1 is equals to a upon x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, फर्स्ट टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई किया और सेकंड टर्म को भी मल्टीप्लाई किया. x minus 1 gets cancelled, x plus 2 also gets cancelled. So it will be x plus 1 is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Let us say this is equation number 2. इक्वेशन 1 मिल गया आपको, इक्वेशन 2 will also be about. Now we have to find out the value of a and b. a और b का वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? by the substitution method. What will the first substitution? Substitute denominator of a. What is denominator of a? x minus 1. So substitute x minus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to 1 in equation 2. So here, substitute x minus 1. x minus 1 ही क्यों लिया हम लोगों ने? Because denominator of a is x minus 1. अगर यहाँ पे x plus 1 लिया रहता, suppose there was x plus 1, then we have to consider it is x plus 1. So substituting x minus 1 equals to 0, that means x equals to 1 in equation 2. Substitute करो, the value of x is equals to 1. That we have to substitute. So this will be 1 plus 1 is equals to a into 1 plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 है. अभी आपको चाहिए तो आप 1 minus 1 भी करो, but my suggestion is that since x minus 1 है तो x minus 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 0. जहाँ पे भी आपको ये या x minus 1 मिलेगा वो टर्म 0 हो जाएगा. So this will be b into x minus 1, that means this is 0, so this will be 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is equals to a into 1 plus 2 is 3, and therefore a का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? It is 2 by 3 और 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3. ये 3 इधर जाएगा, so a is equals to 2 divided by 3. We have got the first value of a, that means the first constant value. Then the second, our second substitution is substitute. क्या substitute करना है? a का denominator तो हो गया. Now we have to substitute the denominator of b. What is denominator of b? x plus 2. Substitute x plus 2 equals to 0. Now x plus 2 equals to 0, that means the value of x is equals to minus 2. कहाँ पे substitute करना है? Equation 2 में. So in equation 2. This is short form of EQ. EQ raised to n means equation 2. अब करो substitute. Equation 2 आपका ये है, फिर से x का वैल्यू कितना है? -2. तो ये हो गया आपका -2 plus 1 is equals to a into x plus 2. But the value of x plus 2 is 0, so this will be 0. Plus b into x minus 1. So it is -2 minus 1. x plus 2 का वैल्यू 0 था, तो ये हो गया a into 0 plus b into x का वैल्यू कितना है -2, सो -2 -1, -2 + 1 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू -1 इज इक्वल्स टू a इंटू 0 मीन्स ये होगा आपका 0 प्लस b इंटू -2 -1 दैट मीन्स -3, or we can say that -1 equals to -3b. So b is equals to -1 upon -3 and that is equals to 1/3. So the value of b equals to 1/3. देखो second substitution is x plus 2 equals to 0. That means x equals to -2. कहाँ पे substitute करना है? We have to substitute in equation 2. तो ये होगा -2 + 1 इक्वल्स टू a इंटू एक्स प्लस 2. अब यहाँ पे x प्लस 2 का वैल्यू डायरेक्टली 0 तो मैंने 0 लिखा. अगर अपने को डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखना है तो ये यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, दिस विल बी -2 + 2 अगेन -2 + 2 दैट विल बी 0, दैट मीन्स a इंटू 0 प्लस b इंटू x इज -2 दैट इज -2 -1. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई इट, -2 + 1 इज -1, a इंटू 0 दैट इज 0 प्लस b इंटू -2 -1 दैट इज -3. So -1 equals to -3b, that means b equals to -1 by -3, which is equals to 1/3. So we have got both the value of a and b. Now we have to substitute a and b in equation 1. So once you get the value of a and b, substitute those values in the first equation. So substituting a is equals to a कितना था भाई, 1 + 1 2/3, a equals to 2/3 and b is equals to 1/3 in equation 1. We'll get x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equals to a का वैल्यू है 2/3 upon x minus 1 plus b is 1/3 upon x plus 2. So these are the partial fractions of the given problem. We will continue it in the next period. Till now, goodbye.